What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and let's just get this video started right away. So as of today, probably about 20 minutes ago, I just finished ordering my new LED bulbs for the truck. If you guys know, the standard trucks come with halogen bulbs and they look ugly. So as of right now, I'm going to show you how they currently look. That way, after we swap them, we can go ahead and basically see the difference. Alrighty, guys, so this is how it looks right now. As you can see, it's not that good, and it's not that bright. So I did order replacement bulbs for the low beams, the high beams, and the fog lights. They're from a company that I've never heard of, but Amazon recommended them, so I hope that they are good and they don't break super quick. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, it is Thursday right now. It should be here by Tuesday, so in a few days, for me, for you guys, it's gonna be a few seconds. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, finally got my headlights. They actually arrived pretty early. They were supposed to come Tuesday, they came Saturday, so super excited about that. So let's get started. Alright, guys, so we got the hood opened. We're gonna go ahead and start with the low beams, which is actually gonna be all the way on this side right here. If you guys can tell, it's gonna be all the way closest to your fender. Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and removed it already. As you can see, it's a little bit tight. You don't have too much wire to work with, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and push down on this tab right here, on this one right here, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock halogen bulbs. Alright, guys, so as you guys can see, it takes about 2 seconds. All you gotta do is turn it counterclockwise and pull it out, and then we can go ahead and start opening up the new headlights. Now, I don't know how good this company is, but it was recommended by Amazon, so we'll give it a shot. We got 2 of these. This is gonna be for the high beams, low beams, and then we got the fog lamps right here. Alrighty, guys, so sorry about this lighting. There's a lot of sun at the moment. Actually, let's move this over here. There you go. So as you can see, you get a few zip ties. You get a little piece of adhesive tape, I guess. I'm gonna have to read the instructions to know how this works, but here is your new bulb. So as you can see, there's the LEDs right there, and it's crazy to think that that's what's gonna power on your headlights, but it should be pretty cool. And yeah, I've never done this, guys, and I've watched a few videos in the past. Probably should have done it before I did this today, but we're gonna give it our best shot, read the instructions real quick, and get it done. And we are back. So basically, it's super easy, guys. It's just plug and play like I figured it would be. Then they give you the zip ties that come in the little bag right here, just to basically like hide all these wires, kind of like clean it up a little bit. So I'll show you guys how it looks before and after. But yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, it's working. Always make sure that you test it before you plug it in. That way you don't gotta waste time. But as you can see, it's up and running. We got the halogen bulb right here, and I'll show you the difference. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, it's on. When you compare it to the halogen bulb, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it worked, guys, so that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side for the low beams, and then we'll move on to the headlights. Not headlights, the high beams. Alrighty, guys, so if you're like me, and I hope that you are, I recommend that you always keep your stock halogen bulbs, just because in case something happens, you have the bulbs. You don't want to be stuck with not being able to drive your truck at night. And since I've never heard of this company, I'm definitely gonna keep them. But yeah, always keep everything. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we got the headlights all done. Fog lights are gonna be next. Guys, so this right here, this is how they look at night. So as you can see, they're pretty bright. Looks good. Alrighty guys, if you guys can't tell, the sun is just beaming down on me right now, and it's just really hot. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna leave this fog lights for tomorrow. It is just way too hot out here, and let me just show you more or less how I left everything. I went ahead and used the zip ties, but not the little sticky pads, just because there's no really great location to go ahead and mount the little bracket that comes with the lights. But let me show you. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the lights are in. I went ahead and just kind of zip tied them together, made a little bit cleaner, even though obviously you can still see that it's a mess. Other side, same thing. You guys can tell it's just a mess of wires. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm gonna actually end up making a separate video for the fog lights. It's gonna be pretty much about the same exact thing, different company for the headlights, but still it's gonna be LED. So that's gonna be just an amazing facelift for my truck. It's gonna be about the exact same process that it was for installing the high beams and low beams today, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to get to them, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and drop a like. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. That would definitely help me out, guys. And again, have an amazing day.